What's up everyone, welcome back to a new mixing video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to sound like Glaive In under 4 minutes. The song was recorded by my good friend Mosh, so his link is in the description if you want to follow him. Without further ado, let's get right into the mix.
I wasn't lying when I said that you mean everything to me, but I guess everything means nothing when you lie through your teeth. And all those nothings, they mean everything when you're next to me. And I ain't fronting at my new girl, she'll do anything for me.
So that's the song with the preset on, so I'm going to play the song without the preset on so you can hear how fucking terrible it sounds.
I wasn't lying when I said that you mean everything to me, but I guess everything means nothing when you lie through your teeth. And all those nothings, they mean everything when you're next to me. And I ain't fronting at my new girl, she'll do anything for me.
As you can hear, the vocals just don't sound as good without the preset on. So this is what the main vocal sounds like with the preset on.
I wasn't lying when I said that you mean everything to me, but I guess everything means nothing when you're lying through your teeth. And all those nothings, they mean everything when you're next to me. And I ain't fronting at my new girl, she'll do anything for me.
And this is what it sounds like with no preset.
I wasn't lying when I said that you mean everything to me, but I guess everything means nothing when you're lying through your teeth. And all those nothings, they mean everything when you're next to me. And I ain't fronting at my new girl, she'll do anything for me.
And this is what the layer sounds like with the mix on.
But I guess everything means nothing when you lie through your teeth. And all those nothings, they mean everything when you're next to me. And I ain't fronting at my new girl, she'll do anything for me.
So as you can hear, the layers are all panned left and right to make more space for the main vocal. And this is what the layers sound like without the mix.
But I guess everything means nothing when you lie through your teeth. And all those nothings, they mean everything when you're next to me. And I ain't fronting that my new girl should do anything for me.
As you can tell, the mix made the vocals sound a lot cleaner and fuller. So if you want your vocals to sound and be mixed more like Glaive's, the link to buy the preset is in the description below. If there's any other artists you want me to sound like, leave a recommendation in the comment section. I don't really know what else to do for the outro, so I'm just going to play the full cover. Again, follow Mosh, guys, please.
She's in a red beret in a nice cafe. The Versace shades, all the tears on her face. It's like 1984. We had like everything we wanted and fucking more. There was so many avenues to fucking explore. And then there's one little detail that I can't ignore. I wasn't lying when I said that you meant everything to me.